right, Tuesday, December 22nd at the Honeystone Restoration. You can see here, we did a nice tobacco around the top. We're about to do the same here on the deck after Paulo takes care of that stupid plant that's been in the way forever. So we're on top of it. Renters come on Sunday. Putting tobacco here, but that's the tobacco. It's gonna match all this, and we're rolling. All right, second half of the day. We've gotten a lot clean here. Gonna pass varnish, continue to clean in the center, and I'm gonna go sand the stairs.
Clocked him on the jaw at 34th in Astoria. I made a phone call, but no one picked up.